In this video, I will tell you how you can untag yourself in a photo on Facebook. Go to www.facebook.com in your preferred browser. This will load your newsfeed if you are already logged into Facebook. Once you are logged into Facebook, click on your profile page by clicking the little picture of you and your name to the right of the screen search bar. Once there, choose the Photos button below your cover image. Locate the offending photo and click on the pencil that appears in its upper right corner when you hover over it. In the drop-down box that appears, choose the Report Remove Tag option. Click OK and presto, no more photo tag. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.